If you are wondering if Redmi A7 Pro has AI features, then the answer is no, not really. Of course, we do have some Google AI tools. I mean, some people might consider them as AI tools. That is Gemini and Circle to Search. So in both cases, these are the things that are pretty much on every Android smartphone, every newest Android smartphone nowadays. And for example, in the case of Circle to Search, you just have to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar or a home button, depending on your type of navigation that you use on your phone. As for Gemini, of course, usually you can activate it by pressing and holding the power button, but you should also be able to find it in the app drawer in the form of this app over here. These are pretty standard AI tools that are provided by Google on every Android. And besides that, if you're looking for Xiaomi AI features, then unfortunately you will not be able to find them. Usually you can find like a Hyper AI option in settings or something like that, which allows you to see at least a couple of those AI features and tools that you have available on your smartphone. But in this case, this option is simply missing. I also checked some of the apps that we have pre-installed in here, like for example the gallery, but I don't think there are any AI tools in there. For example, there is no magic eraser in there. There is nothing that allows you to, for example, remove shadows or maybe remove reflections and so on and so forth. So unfortunately, these things are missing. So I think it's safe to say that Redmi A7 Pro doesn't really have any AI features, only if you count those standard Google features, that is, once again, Gemini and Circle to Search. If you count them, then yes, in that case we do have AI, but if not, if you don't want to count them, then in that case the answer is no. Leave a like and subscribe.